kasama ko ng orange cake. Ano to ng orange? Yung parang balat na. So, ayan na. Ang kanyang pulmahan. At ito na yung blend. Ayan na yung orange at yung arena. So, nagawa na siya ng orange cake. May measuring cup. Ayan. Ang mga ingredient. New Year kasi sa kanila, kaya gagawa siya ng orange cake. Happy New Year, Ethiopia! Sa? Ayan, flour. 2 cups flour. 3 cups flour. 2.5 pala yun. Tapos 3 cup? 2.5. This one, baking soda? Baking powder. 2 teaspoon? 3. Mix. Joanna, this one, only orange and milk. 4 egg. 4 egg milk and orange. Orange juice. This orange cake. Diba? Gawa din siya ng cake. At nilagay na rin yung orange na balat. And mekos-mekos na niya. Mekos-mekos. Ano, expert in cake. Yes. Orange cake. Yung amo ko nandun sa labas. Tingin sa mata. How many minutes in oven?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So, mamaya na natin ito makikita. Ang finished product. Sarap to sa kape. It's nice in coffee, tea. September 1?
Yes. 2000.
It's not September 1. Today 11, right?
That's our calendar. September 1.
September 1 New Year.
Yes.
So, ayan, abangan natin. 30 minutes. Bago natin matikman yan, mamaya pa. Hana, give me, ha? Hana, give me. Give me. Open. Ito na po ang orange cake. Orange cake for Hana, for Ethiopia.